Best drone for kids. We review top 5 best drone for kids. Altair AA108. Maybe the easiest to control, making it a perfect drone for kids. The #AA108 from Altair has 3 skill level settings. It can be assembled in just a few minutes and advertises a 20-minute battery life. It also comes with a great HD camera that you can view via a smartphone app. Arguably the best drone for teenager operators, you can get these quadcopters for $129.80 MSRP. DJI Tello Ryze. Cheap quadcopters with camera functions are growing in availability. And the Ryze by DJI and Tello is perfect for beginners. It has a long-lasting battery, easy-to-use controls, and is lightweight yet durable. Users can take advantage of a simple mobile app to control flight and settings. Instead of storing camera footage locally via SD card, it's beamed to your smartphone via paired Wi-Fi. Get this small drone with a camera for $99 MSRP. Holystone F181W. The Holystone F181W RC quadcopter drones are basically ready to use straight out of the box. They come with different settings to improve your flight skills gradually over time. The HD camera gives the flyer a clear field of view via mobile app control. And you get it all for around $100. OAXIS myFirst Kids Flying Drone Play. This cheap RC drone is aimed directly at kids. It keeps its propellers encased in a dome/UFO-style shape that not only looks cool but protects children's hands. It supports hovering at the same spot and autonomous piloting features. Plus, its anti-crash sensors all mean no upsetting breakages. Potensic upgraded A20 mini drone. The A20 mini drone can be picked up for just $27.99 online. It is fast and nimble, with 3 speed levels, and easy-to-use flight controls for beginners, such as one-button vertical flight and land, VTOL. It's also small enough to fit in your pocket while still being sturdy enough to withstand crashes.